Alright, so this is an example of some of the weird crap I've got on the surface of my aluminium, nickel-plated aluminium bus bars. Just to prove that this stuff is basically impossible to weld, it's also a lousy conductor. So I've got my multimeter on conductivity, so as you can see, you get somewhere between 0 and zero point 0.1 ohms. But when you check the conductivity of this stuff, it's pretty bad. And it's a little wonder I can't get anything to weld. If you scratch it deep enough, you get contact.